Hi guys, so this is the acetate sheet. Okay, these are the things that we need: acetate sheet, the scissors, and a scoring pen, a ball pen without ink, and then puncher. So these are just what I did. So basically, I cut this acetate sheet into 1-inch straps. Okay, I cut it into 1-inch straps for this one. And then this entire acetate sheet, I folded it like this. This is 1.5 inches at the sides. Okay, this is short acetate sheets. Okay, 1.5 inch at the sides. And it should be 8 inches here. And it should be straight. Okay, it should be straight. Parang naka-angle lang siya. Okay, so once you do this, I did a puncher around here, just 1 inch below from the top. Okay, once that, I'm going to cut this. Okay, parang ganyan lang. Okay, for parang may slit. Okay, it's the same here on the side and the other side. So just cut it with a slit. Okay, like that. Okay, doesn't have to be perfect, basta yung meron lang slit. Okay, once that's done, you insert this one. Okay, so you insert the strap like that. Okay. Oops. I guess the strap is too small. Okay, the strap is too small. I will. Okay, there. So, adjust this slit according to the size of the strap. Okay, ganito. So, once that's done, okay, measure here, the same thing, 1.5 inch here, another 1.5 inch here. It doesn't have to be perfect. Pwede rin niya super perfect yung 1.5 inch, or you can just estimate and you fold it. Okay, so you just fold it, parang ganyan. Okay, you fold it. Oops. For the sake of this video, sweaty na yung hands ko. But yeah. Something like this. Okay. So make sure that when you fold it like that, dapat naka-straight po. Okay, dapat naka-straight. Okay, so the acetate should be straight like that. Okay, so you fold it on the other side. Okay. Once that's done, okay, let me just finish this. Okay. Yan. Okay, so it's basically straight. Okay, or it's okay if naka-angle to, it doesn't matter. Basta yung angle dito, it's straight. This one is also straight. Okay, so once that's done, you put the puncher here. Yan. Okay, you also put a hole puncher here. There. And then you put the garter on the edge, so it should have a hole here for the garter. Okay, so once that is punched on the sides, okay, you insert the garter. The same thing as my previous procedure before. You insert the garter, and you put it there. Okay, like that. And then you staple it. Okay. Okay, so naka-staple na yan. So that's basically it. This is the finished product. Okay? So the reason why I made this straight is because when you curve it like that, no? When it is curved like this, the tendency of some acetates or laminating film or yung PVC binding covers, makaano siya it tends to curve and it makes people dizzy. So this is actually the straight version where it doesn't curve or anything, so it avoids people getting dizzy. So that's it, and thank you.